In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps on Apple CarPlay dashboard. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to your car using Apple CarPlay. You can connect either through a USB cable or wirelessly, depending on your vehicle. Next, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone and ensure location permissions are enabled. Once connected, the Google Maps interface will automatically appear on your car's CarPlay dashboard screen. If it doesn't show, tap the Maps icon on the CarPlay home screen. From there, you can search for a destination using voice commands with Siri or by tapping the search bar directly on the screen. After selecting your destination, tap Start to begin navigation. Google Maps will provide turn-by-turn directions, lane guidance, and real-time traffic updates directly on your dashboard. You can also switch routes, view alternate paths, and check estimated arrival time without needing to touch your phone. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Maps on Apple CarPlay dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.